Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Outagamie County, southeastern Portage County, Chagno County, Wapaka County until 4:45 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 7 miles south of Amherst, or 11 miles west of Wapaka, and moving east at 50 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Wapaka, New London, Clintonville, Black Creek, Sheridan, Rural, King and Lynn Center. This storm has exhibited some weak rotation. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although one is not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the